Good afternoon to all. My name is Lavanya Sadak, lecturer in English, Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad. So today's topic is idioms for the third semester students, for the second year students for the third semester. So today's topic is the idioms. So we are going to learn the idioms. So first of all, we have to know very importantly that what are the idioms. Right? What are the idioms? Actually, what the sentences or the words called the idioms. So each idiom has the two slides. In the first slide, you get a picture, clue. Can you guess the idiom? In the second slide, three possible meanings are given. Can you guess the correct one? So here I have prepared the idioms, the topic for you. So there are the slides for you here. I have kept the slides here. So you have to tell that what is the idiom in these, or you have to understand that what is the idiom means. Sorry, ma. So here I have in the one picture there is a bread and a new thing. The best thing since sliced bread. The best thing since sliced bread. Right? A new way of cutting bread, or something or someone with an excellent reputation or a better tasting bread. This new phone is the best thing since sliced bread. Right? So cut the mustard. Right? Be good enough up to standard. Harvest mustard plants or cut out mustard from your diet. Cut out mustard from your diet. Cut the mustard means don't cut. Sorry, ma'am. So don't cut the mustard. The meaning of these two pictures is not cutting the mustard, ma'am. Cut out the mustard from your diet. Right? Cut out the mustard from your diet. Right? And here also, put all your eggs in one basket. Put all your eggs in one basket. Don't keep your eggs in the fridge or store eggs on the top of each other, or put all your hopes on one thing. Right? So this is a picture. For the picture I have written the example also here, that is put all your hopes on one thing. Put all your eggs in one basket. Put all your hopes on one thing. Right? Ignoring his father's advice not to put all his eggs in one basket, but Matthew left school earlier to pursue his dream of being a personal footballer. Yes? Yeah. So here, be on the same page. Be on the same page. Means not the picture, I am giving the example of be pictured on the same page. No. Be in agreement. Yes. Read a book together. Yes. When Fred showed his plans for a new purple kitchen to his wife, they realized they were not on the same page. Right? So here, when Fred showed his plan for a new purple kitchen to his wife, so here wife and husband must be in the same agreement. Be in the same agreement. Be in the same one word. Right? So that's why that couple will call the best couple. So here the purple kitchen to his wife, they realized that the couple, they are realized that they were not on the same page. Means they were not on the same idea. They were not on the same page means they were not on the same idea. So be on the same page. Be in the agreement. Yeah. Next one here, burn the midnight oil. Right? Burn the midnight oil. So here, work late into the night or start a fire at night time. No. Burn oil to make a really black smoke. With exams looming, Gima often found herself burning the midnight oil. Means she has studied in the midnight. She is studied all the midnight because there were the exams. Right? Because there are the exams. So that's why here Gima often found herself burning, means the midnight oil, means the Gima's mind is burning like the midnight oil. Right, so idioms are nothing but in the Telugu they call that the Sametalu. Sametalu, so you compare the Sametalu with the persons, or you compare the Sametalu with the situations, right? Some situations you will compare the Sametalu. So idioms are nothing but the idioms are called the Sametalu. So here, burn the midnight oil means don't burn the midnight the oil. No, not the right answer is not that, but with exams looming, here already I have written the example for you. With exams looming, Gima often found herself burning the midnight oil. Right? Yeah. And the next one back to the drawing board. Back to the sorry back to the drawing board means add picture to help explain a text. No. Time to rub something out and make it neater. No. Time to completely rethink plans. Yes, the third one is the right answer, but time to completely rethink plans. When they heard of the airline strike, they know it was back to the drawing board for their holiday plans. Means breakdown, right? So here, when they heard that the airlines are in strike, they know it was back to drawing board for their holidays plan. Means they have to plan, they have to replan, they have to rethink, right? Because there are the flights are the strike. The flights are in the strike, so that's why they have to rethink the plan. They have to recorrect the plan. They have to replan. They have to replan because the airlines are in the strike, so they have to go or they have to return to their place. So that's why they have to plan that how they have to go. Right? Yeah. And the next one, hit the sack. Yes, hit the sack. So the answer is get the dust out of sack by beating it. No. Go to bed. Play a game called hit the sack. No. At midnight, Frank declared that it was time to hit the sack. So get the dust. At midnight, Frank declared that it was time to hit the sack. Hit the sack means go to bed. Right? Yeah, enough seeing TV or enough playing the games in the in the phone. Right? Enough. So you have to go to the bed. Right? Yeah. So hit the sack. Next. Oops. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means tell all. Drop some food. Plant beans in the garden. No. Tell all. I heard all about lunchtime. Sarah split the beans. Right? So tell to all that I heard all about the lunchtime. So Sarah split the beans. So tell all. Tell the beans means tell all. The idioms means like this. Samitalu we will compare with the situation. So that comes under the idioms. Right? And next one. The icing on the cake. The icing on the cake. The top layer of the cake? No. An extra good thing on the top of something already good? No. The sweetest spot. Susan loved visiting the zoo. The icing on the cake was being allowed to feed the pigeons. Right? Yeah. So the next picture, make a mountain out of a molehill. Make a mountain out of a molehill. So what is the answer, Jano from South by Casting Nabel own work. Right? No. Yeah. Next. Make something small seem very serious. Keep digging. Look at something using a magnifying glass. No. Make something small seems very seriously. So here the hill is very big. Sorry, ma. Yeah. So the hill is very big. So here the small hole is a mole, right? So that much big problem. You are looking, the problem is very big. No. Solve the problem and then you see the problem is small and then you solve it. So make something small seems very serious. It was only a light push. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Means it is only the light push. Don't make that the big serious thing. Don't show that is a big matter, right? It is just light push. Yeah. Next one, ma. In hot water. Red from a hot bath? No. In trouble? Hidden by stream? In trouble. Mark knew he was in hot water when his father discovered he had skipped music lessons for a whole month. Right? In trouble. Nothing but in hot water is in trouble. Yes. Yeah. Next one, ma, pigs might fly. So a varied dream, an airline for pigs. It's not going to happen. So what is that? A varied dream, right? Yeah, in dream, yeah, pigs will fly, and we also fly, right? In the dream, a varied dream. Pigs might fly, yes. Gurram ekra vachu, yeah. So in the Telugu Sametal, yes. Next year I am going to be Miss World, said Sandra, and pigs might fly. Yeah, next year I am going to be Miss World. So dream, that is a varied dream. So yeah, she will become the Miss World in the next year. Yeah, she has the confidence and she is dreaming that she's goal is that. So that's why she is telling that confidently that yeah, in the next year I am going to be a Miss World, said Sandra. Means pigs might fly. Yeah, she might be become the Miss World. Dreaming, right? Varied dreaming, ma. Yeah. Here, lost your head. Nothing but you will not lose your head, ma. Lost your head is lost control and act wildly. Visit the Wilton, have a bad haircut. No, lost control and act widely. When Joe realized that the only food in the house was Brussels sprouts, he lost his head. Means he lost his the control. Right, he is very angry. So then, what is a loss your head means? Losing your ideas, losing your thinking. Sorry, how to react to the people. So you are losing your thinking. Not head means not the head, right? Yeah, I gave for the understanding. I gave the picture also. Yeah, here you see here. Wear your heart on your sleeves. Sorry. Wear clothing with hearts on. No. Feel your pulse at your wrist. Show your true feelings. You always know how Stacy was. She wore her heart on her sleeve. Right? Show your true feelings. Right? Show your true feelings. So wear your heart on your sleeve. Means you are showing the angry perfectly, not you are keeping the smile or not you are showing the false face, right? So you are giving the clarity, you are showing your true feelings, that is the sadness or the happiness or the the jealous, whatever it may be, you are showing the perfect feeling, the true feeling. That is called that where your heart on your sleeve, right? You always know how Stacy was. She wore her heart on her sleeve. Yes. Next one, ma, tie the knot. Tie the knot means not to tie the knot, ma. Get married, do up your lashes, join two pieces of rope together. No. John and Emma tied the knot last year. It's their anniversary on Tuesday. So get married. Tie the knot means get married. So the couple will tie each other, both other, for the lifelong. They will not remove in the middle, right? That's why tie the knot. So John and Emma tied the knot last year. It's their anniversary on Tuesday. Yes. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It takes two to tango. It takes two to tango. Share your drink. You can't dance on your own. When two people are involved in something, both must share responsibility. I know it was Gavin and not Beth who had the idea to take the sweets, but it takes two to tango. Share your drink, right? Sharing your drink. That is called nothing but it takes two to tango. Share your drinks. Yeah. Nice example, but this is very much jump the gun. Jump the gun. Leap over the gun. Start before you should. Jump from shocked at the bag. No. The invigilator told Ben that he had jumped the gun. He finished the first page before the exam had even started. Leap over the gun. Start before you should. Sorry, ma'am. Start before you should. Jump the gun means start before you should. The invigilator told Ben that he had jumped the gun. He finished the first page before the exam had even started. Yes? Yeah. Moms, the word. Letter, word, sentences, paragraph, chapter, simile, metaphor, poem and the novel. Moms, the word. It's not that. No. Keep quiet. No. Don't forget Mother's Day. Now remember about the broken vase. Moms, the word. So don't forget the Mother's Day. Yes. Don't forget the Mother's Day. Now remember. Don't forget about the broken vase. Moms, the word. Yes. In the same boat. In the same boat, right? In similar circumstance, both without or journeying together. In similar circumstance, right? So, Rachel's new to the school as well. She is in the same boat as you. Means in the same circumstance, because the Rachel is also the new to the school and also she is also the new to the school. So the same, they are in the similar circumstance because they are they are journeying together, right? They are journeying together. They are in the similar circumstance. Yes. Next one, run out of steam. Boil a kettle dry. Use a steam iron to press your running clothes. Run out of energy. By the time he had swam 8 lengths, he had run out of steam. Right? Run out of energy. So you have to run out of energy. Means you have to keep your energy full and you have to run out. Run out of steam means you have to run as faster as the steam, right? As faster as the steam or as faster as the air. Yes. Go bananas. Yes. Go crazy or choose the fruit option. Wear yellow. Yes. When he realized that Norwich had been promoted, he went bananas. When he realized that Norwich had been promoted, so crazy, he went bananas. So that is called the crazy. Yes. Next one, cry wolf. Yes. So sorry, ma. So cry wolves. Nothing but cry like wolves. No. Yes. Cry out of fear of an animal. No. Do a wolf whistle? No. Pretend there is a problem when there isn't for a joke. The toast wasn't really burning. It was just in crying wolf. So do a wolf whistle. Cry out of fear of animals. No. So what is that? The toast wasn't really burning. So pretend there is a problem when there isn't for a joke. Right? Yeah. Buy a lemon. Buy something sour, buy something with plenty of faults which will not run well. Visit the fruit shop. When Bob's car broke down for the 5th time in a month, he realized he had been sold a lemon. So buy something with plenty of faults which will not run well. So here, buy a lemon means buy something with plenty of faults, right, which will not run well. So when Bob's car broke down for the 5th time in a month, he realized that he had been sold a lemon, right. Here a hot potato. Hot potato. A subject which is difficult or controversial, a potato baking in the oven, sun cream made from the vegetable oil. No. A subject which is difficult or controversial. The new school uniform, a bit of a hot potato at the moment. So a subject which is difficult means the school uniform is difficult. So that's a bit of a hot potato at the moment, right? Yeah. Scotch potato. A variety of potato, a TV meal including potato, a lazy person who spends too much time sitting around. Yes. Salma watches 9 hours of TV a day. She is a real couch potato. A lazy person who spends too much time sitting around. Right? Yeah. So these are some examples of idioms I have written. So I think you have understood that nothing but idioms are in the Telugu. I am telling that so the idioms are Saamitalu. So that idioms we will compare with the others, and also we will compare by the situations. By the situations we will compare to the others. We will compare. So that comes under the idioms. So idioms in the Telugu are called the Saamitalu. Nothing but the Saamitalu. Yes. So here I have written the I have given the pictures here. So for your understanding, also I have written the examples also for the idioms. So idioms are very much important for you. Idioms are very important. So definitely you must learn the idioms. It is compulsory in your life, because the Saamitalu, in your house, your parents or your grandparents will explain when you do something wrong or when you do something new. So they will compare with an idiom. They will take an Saamita, an example of the Saamita, and then they will compare with that Saamita for you, to you, right? So by the situation demand, so then we compare with the idioms. So the idioms are very important to learn. So here I have given the picture also for you for understanding carefully and for understanding quickly. And also I have gave the examples also. So see here bread. The best thing since sliced bread means the sliced bread is a new thing, a new thing. Right, we can slice anything, the bread. So a new way of cutting bread, or something or someone with an excellent reputation, a better tasting bread. No, something or someone with an excellent reputation. This new phone is best thing since sliced bread. Means you are comparing the sliced bread to the phone. You are comparing the sliced bread to the phone. Why you are comparing? Because the sliced bread is a new thing. Right? How here I have shown the picture here. So the sliced bread. So that type of sliced bread is the new trend. Now the people all are trying to slice the bread like that. So that is a new thing. So sliced bread you are comparing with the phone. So this new phone is the best thing since the sliced bread. Right? The new thing. You are comparing the bread with the phone. Yes, and the second one, ma, cut the mustard. Be good enough up to standard or harvest mustard plants. Cut out mustard from your diet. This new police car is a bit slow. It doesn't really cut the mustard. Means be good enough or cut out mustard from your diet. What is the correct in this, ma? I have written the three. So in that only the one is the right one. So you have to choose. We have to choose the right one, right? So the right one is this new police car is a bit slow. Means be good enough up to the standard. It doesn't really cut the mustard. Yes. And the next one here, the picture. I'm showing the picture also, ma, for you for understanding. Put all your eggs in one basket. Put all your eggs in one basket. Means, what is the meaning of that? Don't keep your eggs in the fridge? No. Store eggs on the top of each other? No. Put all your hopes on one thing? Yes. Put all your hopes in one thing. How you are putting, like you are putting your eggs in one basket, so put all your hopes in one thing itself. Don't go to the different things. Don't keep the eggs in the different baskets, because if you keep in the different baskets, the eggs will the eggs will smash, right? The eggs will smash. When you keep in a one basket the eggs, so that the egg will not broken, and then they will remain perfectly. So that's why your hopes also you keep only in the one thing. Don't choose the 3 to 4 things, because it will be confusion in your life. It will be dilemma in your life. So all your hopes, all your ideas keep in the one thing. So then it shows the route for you, the perfect route. So then you can continue. Yes? Yeah. Ignoring his father's advice not to put all his eggs in one basket, Matthew left school earlier to pursue his dream of being a professional footballer. So here, his idea, the father is saying that keep all ideas in a one home. So the Matthew kept the professional footballer. He kept all in a one home, one thing. Yeah. So be on the same page. Be on the same page means, what is the meaning of the be on the same page? Means be on the one word, right? Be in one agreement. Don't go to the two words, right? Be in the one agreement. Be in the one word. When Fred showed his plan for a new purple kitchen to his wife, they realized that they were not on the same page. Means the couple, they are realized that they are not in the one taste. They are not in the one agreement, right? Yeah. So the couple must be in the one agreement. So then only they will happy, right? The taste, the ideas, the lifestyle, whatever it may be. So in a one agreement itself only the couple will be happy for their life. Yes. Yeah. Next one, burn the midnight oil. So burn the midnight oil. What is the meaning of that? Work late into the night. Start a fire at night time. No. Burn oil to make really black smoke. No. Work late into the night. Right? With exams looming, Gima often found herself burning the midnight oil. So there are the exams. So that's why Gima, all the midnight, she sat and she studied. She prepared. Yeah. So back to the drawing board is nothing but add pictures to help explain a text. No. Time to rub something out and make it neater. Time to completely rethink plans. Yes. When they heard of the airline strike, they know it was back to the drawing board for their holiday plan. So time to rub something out and make it neater. Yeah. Next one, hit the sack means go to bed. Hit the sack, go to bed. Spill the beans. I heard all about lunchtime. Sarah spilled the beans. Yes. And the icing on the cake. The top layer of the cake? No. An extra good thing on the top of something already good. The sweetest spot. Susan loved visiting the zoo. Susan loved the visiting the zoo. The icing on the cake was being allowed to feed the penguins. So an extra good thing on the top of something already good. Yes. Make a mountain out of a mole. Very good example, ma. See here, you can understand that make something small seems very serious. It was only a light push. Don't make a mountain out of mole hill. Yes, and the next one, in hot water, means in trouble. Mark knew he was in hot water when his father discovered he had skipped music lessons for a whole month. Right, in trouble. Hot water means in trouble. Yeah, pigs might fly. Very beautiful example, ma. So pigs might fly. A wild dream. Next year I am going to be Miss World, said Sandra. And pigs might fly. And pigs might fly. This is also very good example, ma. Lost your head. Where is your head? No, the meaning of the lost your head means losing the control. Losing the control of yourself itself. So when Joy realized that the only food in the house was Brazil's fortune, he lost his head. He lost his control, right? So yeah, next one, wear your heart on your sleeves, means the expressions, whatever the expressions you can show. Sorry, ma. The expressions, the sadness or the happiness or the jealous or the anger, whatever it may be, the face expression, you are showing, right? You are showing the true feelings. You are showing your true feelings. You always know how Stacy was. She wore her heart on his sleeve, means show your true feelings. Yeah, tie the knot. Right, get married. Tie the knot means get married. Right, John and Emma tied the knot last year. It's their anniversary on Tuesday. Right, tie in one means couple. It takes two to tango. Right, what is that? Share your drink. Yes, I know it was Gavin and not Beth who had the idea to take the sweets, but it takes two to tango. Yeah. Next one, ma, jump the gun, means leap over the gun. Start before you should. Start before you should. The invigilator told Ben that he had jumped the gun. He finished the first page before the exam had even started. Yeah. Mom's the word, means don't forget the Mother's Day. Now remember about the broken vase. Mom's the word. Yes. Next one, ma, in the same boat, means in the same situation. The two people are in the same situation, in the similar circumstance, right? So they are journeying together. Yes, Raquel's new to the school as well as she is the same boat as you. Yes, it is the run out of steam, means the energy, right? Use the steam iron to press your running clothes. No, run out of energy, right? Run out of energy. You jump, you are out of energy, and then you run out of your energy. Yes. Next one, ma, go bananas. Yeah, go bananas means go crazy. When he realized that Norwich had been promoted, he went bananas. So he went crazy. Cry wolf. So cry wolf, the toast wasn't really burning, it was just in crying. Wolf means pretend there is a problem when there isn't for a joke. Yeah, buy a lemon. Buy something with plenty of faults which will not run well. Right, when Bob's car broke down for the 5th time in a month, he realized that he had been sold a lemon. Yeah, a hot potato. A subject which is difficult or controversial. Right, the new school uniform, a bit of hot potato at the moment. Nothing but my idioms are new words, right? New words, or the old English. You have to, the trend changes. The English words or the English language day by day changes. So that's why we have to talk the trend language, right? So yeah, couch potato, a variety of potato. The TV means includes potato. No. A lazy person who spent too much time sitting around. Talma watches 9 hours of TV a day. She's a real couch potato. Means she's very lazy person, right? Because she will sit 9 to 10 hours. She's watching movies, watching TV. Lazy persons, right? So the lazy person, we are giving the example of couch potato. Yes. So these are the idioms, ma. So today's topic is the idioms. Today we have learned how the idioms are and what are the idioms and how to learn the idioms or how to compare the idioms with the idioms to the others, right? The situation by the situation we will compare the idioms to the others. So these are the topic of idioms I have completed. Thank you very much.